National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Johnson County and north central Texas until 1:15 p.m. At 12:17 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Cleburne, moving north at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Keene around 12:30 p.m., Joshua around 12:40 p.m., Burleson around 12:50 p.m. This storm impacted Interstate 35 west between mile markers 37 and 40. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Tuesday evening for